So welcome guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you, no, I will not be teaching you anything today, but I want to show you guys a trick that I learned. If you guys really want to get this trick, there are only few steps you need to follow. So before I tell you these few steps, let me just show you the trick. So the trick is that I'm going to go on the internet, browse without data or Wi-Fi. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is not on, my data is not on. So let me prove it to you guys. First of all, I want to check if I have data. Sorry. As you can see, it says no data boldly on the screen. So let's on the data and check if we can browse. I'm going on Facebook now. Let's see if Facebook will open. But remember guys, my Wi-Fi isn't on. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is not on, nothing is on. And here's your Facebook. Facebook is opened and we can browse and see everything. And okay, let's try Opera menu. Let's Google something, anything. As you can see, Google open. So we can actually Google anything and search for anything and it will open. So guys, if you want to learn this trick, be sure to follow this my few steps. Number one, subscribe, like, share this video, and don't forget to comment your thoughts. Okay, so if you have done all these things, I just need 200 likes on this video, and I need every single person that watches this video to subscribe. And once you subscribe, I'll be sure to upload how I did this trick in my next video. So see you guys next time when I reveal the secret of the video of my browsing. So good luck, good night, peace, love, and hugs.